Marvelous day! EasyAutoFix here, and today we're going to learn about symptoms of a bad transmission. The purpose of the transmission is to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. And it changes the vehicle's speed and torque by using different gear sets. The location of the transmission is connected to the engine. If your car is front wheel drive, it will have it on the left or the right side of the engine. If your car is rear wheel drive or four wheel drive, it will have the transmission on the back of the engine. On average, your car's transmission will typically last around 150 to 200,000 miles. Now the life can last shorter or longer depending on how you maintain it. So the first symptom is a transmission slip. A transmission slip occurs right before your car is going into a gear change. You'll see the RPMs increase and you'll hear the engine get louder with little to no response. And it'll feel like your car's not getting traction on the road. Make sure to see your transmission fluid level, as this could cause this symptom. If the levels seem to be fine, then it's something internal. The second symptom is shaking during shifts. For example, as you're going down the road and your car increases speed, it shifts into different gear ratios. On a good transmission, you won't even feel it. On a bad transmission, you'll feel the car shake as it's trying to change gears. The third symptom could be your check engine light comes on. Now there's tons of codes related to transmission issues. I just provided these codes to give you an example. Depending on the code that comes up, can give you a great starting point to go off of. The scanner that I use and works for me is linked in the description. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys can just obliterate that like button and subscribe, that would be fantastic. The fourth symptom is no shifting response. You put your car from park to reverse or neutral or drive and nothing happens. Now this can be as easy as just you having low transmission fluid. Or maybe it's just your shifting cable that got loose. It could even be the transmission range sensor. Or it could be the valve body, as this is the control center of the automatic transmission. If you guys are having any other symptoms in your car, make sure to check out the Auto Symptoms playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.